All right, packing luggage when flying, it can be difficult. Sometimes things get kind of moved around, broken. Sometimes they start leaking, whatever. This from an actual flight attendant.
Okay.
Some different packing tips to keep in mind.
All right.
Number one, use balloons to prevent spills. So if you have like toiletries, hair gel, shampoo, whatever, they say take balloons and put them over the ends. That way, it won't leak out all over your clothes.
Well, no, because then if the pop
That's
opens,
it.
it goes into the balloon instead of into your luggage. Fair.
Now, one thing we've done,
I'm a Ziploc bag girl.
carrying wine or even like beer and stuff like that in bottles.
Yes.
You don't want that all over your clothes. They say use diapers. Yeah, take your wine bottle, put it in a diaper. That way it's got some cushioning, some padding. It won't break.
Just know if you're carrying it, they're probably going to search it and see what that is because now it's got materials around it. So that's why I like the Ziploc bags, quite frankly, and saran wrap because it's easy to open. It's easy to close back up personally.
Now, when it comes to sandals, they say pack your sandals where they can't get your clothes dirty. Most suitcases have an inner lining that unzips. Open that up, pack sandals or thin shoes in there so they don't touch your clothes. So, people don't want to have their shoes, getting their clothes dirty because the bottoms of your shoes, your sandals, whatever.
Well, and they have treads in them so that it retains stuff. I have found, again, those plastic grocery bags. You can use those to wrap around them, too, to put inside your bag. Mm-hmm. A lot of luggage, too, has that external pouch.
Yeah.
So it's not even on the inside, whereas the inside ones, sometimes they're like a mesh.
Yeah.
So it'll still kind of break through. Mm-hmm. But you get those like plastic grocery bags, and that's where you can reuse them over and over again, and they're good for the environment because you're putting them to work. They don't have to look good. They just have to keep your dirty shoes off your clean clothes.
Get more info on the brilliant luggage packing hacks right now. Yes FM, Facebook, Exit 967, Yes FM, YouTube, and at yesfm.com.